Do you know if you're selecting the right card from your wallet at checkout? Choosing between a debit and credit card is more significant than just completing your transactions. Here, we delve into how each card type influences your budget, credit score, and financial security. And understanding these differences can really help you manage your finances better. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a debit card? When you use a debit card, you're spending money directly from your checking account. It's like digital cash. You can only spend what you have, which means there's no risk of falling into debt. It's a fantastic tool for keeping to your budget because it keeps you within your financial limits. Now, here is an example. You're at the grocery store and you use your debit card to pay for your groceries. The amount you spend is immediately deducted from your checking account. It's straightforward and simple. But what if your account balance is low? Well, if there's not enough money in your account, your transaction could be declined, or you might face overdraft fees if your bank offers overdraft protection. This direct link to your bank account makes debit cards a very practical choice for everyday expenses, as it keeps you mindful of your spending. And next, let's talk about credit cards. Unlike a debit card, a credit card gives you access to a line of credit. This means you can borrow money up to a certain limit and pay it back later. It sounds great, right? But here's the catch. If you don't pay it back in full by the due date, you'll be charged interest. And this interest can really add up. Now, you might be wondering, why would someone choose to use a credit card if it can lead to debt? Well, credit cards come with several benefits. For starters, they can help you build credit. Every time you make a payment on time, it positively impacts your credit score. And good credit can be crucial for big life events, like buying a house or car. Also, speaking of which, credit cards often offer rewards like cashback, points for travel, or other perks. So if you're savvy about it, you can actually make money or save on expenses you'd have anyway. But there's a catch. You need to be disciplined. If you're not careful, the interest and fees from not paying off your balance can quickly outweigh any rewards. So, credit cards can be a powerful financial tool if used responsibly. For instance, let's say you have a credit card with a rewards program. If you pay off your balance each month, avoiding interest, you can earn points, miles, or cash back on your purchases. Over time, these rewards can add up to significant savings. So then, how do you decide which one to use? Well, it depends on your financial situation and discipline. If you're someone who struggles to stick to a budget, a debit card might be safer. It's a straightforward way to avoid spending more than you have. On the other hand, if you're disciplined and can pay off your balance each month, a credit card can offer a lot more flexibility and benefits. It can be a tool not just for spending, but for improving your financial health. Also, it's worth mentioning security. Both cards offer fraud protection, but credit cards often provide superior security features. If your credit card is used fraudulently, you're typically not responsible for unauthorized charges, provided you report them quickly. With debit cards, recovering lost money can be a bit trickier and might take longer. And next, let's consider what happens when you're traveling. Credit cards are generally more widely accepted around the world and provide additional benefits like travel insurance or emergency assistance. Debit cards can have higher fees for international use and might not offer the same level of protection. So, as we can see, both cards serve distinct purposes. Your choice depends on how you handle money and what your financial goals are. Still, using them wisely is key. You can also use both. For instance, you could use your debit card for everyday purchases to keep your spending in check. Meanwhile, use a credit card for larger, planned expenses where you can benefit from consumer protection or rewards. So, what's better for you, credit or debit cards? Do you find one easier to manage than the other? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear different perspectives on this. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.